In the depths of the distant ocean, the sun has slowly sunk below the horizon, and the moon and stars begin to twinkle in the night sky. The little friends of the ocean are also getting ready to rest. Let's go see them and gently say goodnight. Hello, clownfish family. The clownfish family happily swam among the corals, playing with the colorful fish. As night falls, they curl up in the warm corals, ready to enter dreamland. Let us softly say, good night, clownfish family. May you have sweet dreams. Hello, playful seahorse. The little seahorse danced in the seaweed, frolicking with the small fish. Now tired, he gently sways in the water eddy to sleep. Let us softly say, good night, little seahorse. May you have a cozy night. Hello, joyful sea lion. The sea lion played along the shore, chasing and frolicking with friends. As night descends, he finds a comfortable spot on the beach to rest. Let us tenderly say, good night, sea lion. May you have a peaceful night. Hello, brave sea turtle. The little sea turtle weaved through the coral reefs, searching for delicious seaweed. His eyes are getting heavy, and it's time to retreat into his warm shell for rest. Let us gently say, good night, little sea turtle. May you have sweet dreams. Hello, curious starfish. The starfish lay quietly on the sand, gazing at the stars in the sky. Now they begin to close their little eyes, dreaming of the wonders of the sky. Let us softly say, good night, starfish. Have beautiful dreams. Hello, happy dolphin. The dolphin leaped through the waves, playing with the seagulls. Now tired, she floats on the water's surface, ready for a sweet dream. Let us softly say, good night, dolphin. Have a good dream. Hello, majestic whale. The great whale sang songs in the ocean, her voice warm and deep. Now she is ready to rest quietly under the starlight. let us gently say, "Good night, great whale. May you have a dreamy night." Every corner of the ocean has quieted down, and all the marine creatures are in dreamland. Now, dear little one, it's your time to rest. Close your eyes. Imagine yourself floating in the warm seawater. Together with these lovely ocean friends. Good night, little one. May you have sweet dreams. Good night, ocean.